Get over that hair.
I know.
Don't take good pictures at all. Good Lord.
So nothing hurts the baby. This is not an invasive test, but babies get a different vote on invasive.
Mm-hmm.
I do have to gently wash the spots. I'm going to put the sensors on, and sometimes they object. My goal is to keep them asleep, but sometimes it's not possible. The back of your shoulder, little one. Do me a favor and make sure this thing stops rolling. It's like
Can you see, Marie? Do you want to stand on that?
walking bassinet here.
Mm-hmm.
Get back here. There we go. There you are, sweetheart. There you are.
Would you mind repeating what you told us for the video? Because I'm not going to remember. And everybody's going to be asking me back home.
What is this?
Yeah.
These little sensors here
Mm-hmm.
look like EKG sensors because they do the same thing. They pick up on the body's electrical activity. So we're going to put them on and around baby's head. And baby's going to hear some sounds through the headphones. And whether the baby's awake or asleep, the baby's brainstem will respond to hearing the sounds by putting out certain kind of brainwave activity, which is electrical, and the sensors pick that up. So, not all babies pass their first test. There's two results from this test. There's pass and there's refer. Pass means we're all done. Refer means they get referred to get tested again, so I come back a little later.
No flunkies on this.
Well, I firmly believe that a newborn can't do anything wrong.
That's awesome. She's got some earmuffs on.
Although they can train you a little earlier than you think they can train you.
Like the parents?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, that was stuff this morning already. It works good.
What's nice is that a lot of times they respond to the sound they're hearing like it's a white noise, and it just settles them back down and they go to sleep. So it's pretty cute. You gotta wonder what a babies dream about. You know?
Yeah.
Okay, right ear's done. One ear always finishes before the other. Check placement. Okay. Go. It was almost a smile, wasn't it?
Smiling.
Sometimes they'll smile and laugh and you're like, what are they laughing at? And someone's great-grandmother was in here one time with us and the baby, and she goes, they're dreaming about chasing bunnies. That's the cutest visual.
Mm-hmm. She doesn't hate it.
I love her head of hair. It's so cute. What's that?
She gave me about beach vibes. Me too, little girl.
Who has the best french fries around here?
McDonald's,
Really? Still.
yeah, in my opinion.
In-N-Out California had the really great fries. Rogers fries are pretty good.
Mhm.
Yeah.
We discovered a new restaurant. Well, it was new to us. The View in Coquimala Lake.
I haven't been there. Okay.
Everything's homemade. Our french fries are homemade.
Wonderful.
The best. And the burgers are so you can squish it and they just cheesy. Really good.
We used to go to a place right on the lake in Bayview there. It's a floating restaurant. Before it got sold, they had the best burgers I've ever had in my whole life. And then they sold it. And the lady,
I don't know what she does, but they're dry. Oh, yeah. Yeah. These are even charred broiled steaks. And I was absolutely amazed. And happy.
I don't like to go unless they can do at least as well as you can cook it.
Yes, exactly.
I would pay for it.
Exactly.
I can tell with your family you're going to have some good burgers in your life. Yes. And massaging it because sometimes, they've been underwater 9 months.
Mhm.
Sometimes there's still fluid in the ear. So if I just massage it, it'll move it around. And she's all done. She passed. Good job, little one. Good job.
No redos, no retakes.
You called it.
I grade papers at work. I have to reassign the assignment for those little ones.
I gotta take this off slow. It annoys them, but you can't take off stickers fast off of newborns. I'm gonna leave all their little hair follicles in and everything. Yeah.
Yeah.
Look at her little hands. She has her hands right up here. She's so cute. I know, I'm sorry. I'll stop bugging you in a minute. Stop bugging you in just a minute. Yeah. She's like a perfect size. How much does she weigh? She's just adorable.
Yeah, she doesn't feel scary. You know, some of the newborns, when you hold them, they're so
Tiny.
fragile, tiny.
She feels substantial. But her hat's too little. All right. she's
That's the one
all-
Dad picked for this part of the morning. The hat.
All right, she's all yours. I'll just pick up her card for her and give it to you.
Thank you.
I'm gonna go use the restroom, I think, while she's
Chillin'.